AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, one wrong choice could cost you months of study time. Let's settle this: 3 cloud giants, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. All offering certifications. All promising great salaries. But which one is right for you in 2025? Get this wrong and you could waste 3 months studying the wrong thing. Watch to the end, I'll give you a clear decision framework. Let's first understand their market share. AWS leads with roughly 31% of the cloud market. Microsoft Azure holds around 25%. Google Cloud sits at about 11%. But market share alone shouldn't dictate your choice. The real question is, where are the jobs? AWS, the safe bet. AWS is the most mature cloud platform with the largest ecosystem of services. AWS certifications are recognized globally. The entry-level AWS Cloud Practitioner is great for beginners, while the Solutions Architect Associate is the most popular professional-level cert. Best for startups, tech companies, and freelancers. Microsoft Azure, the enterprise choice. If you're working in or targeting large enterprises, Azure is dominant. Many big corporations are Microsoft shops, Office 365, Teams, Windows Server, and they're extending into Azure naturally. Azure certifications align well with corporate IT roles. Best for enterprise IT, finance, healthcare, government sectors. Google Cloud, the AI advantage. Google Cloud is the underdog with a significant edge, AI and machine learning. Google's BigQuery, Vertex AI, and TensorFlow integrations make it the platform of choice for data scientists and AI engineers. Market share is growing fast. Best for data roles, AI, ML engineers, data-driven startups. Your decision framework. Here's how to choose. If you want the most job listings worldwide, go AWS. If you're targeting corporate or government jobs in the UK or Europe, go Azure. If you're passionate about data science or AI, go Google Cloud. And if you're unsure, start with AWS Cloud Practitioner. It's the most beginner-friendly and widely recognized. Uplatz offers certification-ready courses for all 3 platforms. Whether you're Team AWS, Azure, or GCP, we've got you covered. Visit uplatz.com to explore and start your cloud career today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.